Hi, both of us and all our friends from the singing troupe of Eilat. We are so happy to come to Piashtani to see a beautiful city, and the most is the beautiful people here in Piashtani. I can tell you that I was here already 2 years ago, but my friend Esther and the rest of my friend, the singers of our troupe, for them is the first time. Wonderful weather, clean city, what can I say? The best, really the best. We hope to come again to see you, to sing for you, but we are waiting to you to come to visit us, of course. So Eilat also, it's a beautiful place, and there is a lot of room for you. You know why? Because they have a big desert and empty, so you can all come to visit us, okay? Right, Esther? You have something to tell them, my dear?
I enjoyed very much, but we have hotels, so don't worry. You can stay in hotels and be with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. We hope to see you soon.
Thank you.